So today, I'll show you how to factory reset the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So begin by accessing the watch face, then swipe up from the bottom to access the app menu, then scroll down and find settings. So here it is, tap on it. Then within the settings menu, scroll down and find system tap on it, and within the system tap on reset. Then you'll be given a warning. You'll have to pair your band again after performing a factory reset. And would you like to continue? So if you want to factory reset, just tap on the blue check mark and that will factory reset the band. So ensure that your band has enough charge so that you can perform this process. And also, whenever the factory reset is complete, it will take you back to the welcome screen whereby you can pair the smart band again. So that's basically how to factory reset the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video.